Hi, welcome to Swiss World YouTube channel. How to prepare paneer curry. Heat oil in pan and add spices. Now add chilies and onions. Meanwhile, take dry coconut, ground nut, spices, and coconut milk to grind it into paste. Side by take paneer and cut it into cubes. Fry the paneer pieces in oil on medium flame. Keep it aside. Now the onions turned golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste. Add tomatoes, then add the mixture and stir well. Allow it to cook for some time. Add 1 glass of water for 250 grams of paneer. Once it is boiled, add the fried pieces of paneer. Cook for 5 minutes and turn off the flame. The delicious paneer curry is ready to serve. Enjoy the meal.